Hi friend! Are you ready to start your very first piano lesson? I am so excited that you came here to learn how to play the piano today. Make sure you have your first song ready and your theory page too. We're going to use both of these today. You will also want to get your piano chart ready on your piano. Today I want you to keep in mind that it's okay if you don't know something. I'm here to help you. Keep doing these lessons one at a time and it will get easier. Today we're going to start off with an exercise. Do you like to exercise? Maybe you ride your bike or your scooter, or maybe you play at the park or you play basketball. You might even take dance classes or gymnastics or do karate. Well, with piano, it's important for us to exercise our fingers. So let's get started. For today's exercise, we are going to look at our keyboard and find groups of black keys. You can see on the piano that there are groups of 2 and groups of 3 black keys. 2, 3, 2, 3. Look at the middle of your piano and find this group of 2 black keys right here. We're going to play this group of 2 black keys with your second and your third fingers like this. Can you play that 3 times with me? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's come right next to it right here and play this group of 3 black keys. We are going to play this group with our second, third, and fourth fingers like this. Can you play that 3 times with me? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Notes up here are higher and make a high sound, kind of like fairies. Notes down here are low notes and make a low sound, kind of like a grandpa. This is called pitch. Let's find a group of 2 black keys that have a high pitch, like the fairies. Maybe this group right here, or this group up here. And what about a group of 3 black keys that have high pitch? Maybe right here, or you can go even higher and do this one. Excellent. Now look at your entire keyboard and choose another group of 2 black keys that have low pitch. Maybe like this one, or this last group all the way down here. Now let's choose a group of 3 black keys that have low pitch. Can you find one like this one? Or this one? Nice work, you did great. Now we are going to look at the middle of the piano and find that group of 2 black keys right here. Let's play them with our second and third fingers on our right hand. Can you play them 3 times with me? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Now keep your 2 and 3 fingers on the black keys and spread your other fingers out a little on the white keys. Look down at your hand and do you see where your thumb is? Can you see where my thumb is? This white key right here is called middle C. It is a very important key for beginners. This is where our hand position will be for our first course. Right at middle C. Go ahead and take your hand off the piano and then see if you can find middle C again. If you have your chart on the piano, it should be easy to find because right here on this chart it shows you where middle C is. It's right below these 2 black keys. Did you find it? Okay, go ahead and take your hand off again and close your eyes for 5 seconds. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes and see if you can find middle C again. If you need help, then remember to find those 2 black keys right in the middle of the piano, and middle C is right below the black keys right here. Middle C is very special because there is only one middle C on the piano. There are a lot of other Cs on the piano, but only one middle C. Go ahead and get your first song ready on the piano, the slide. Let's take a look at this song. Up here in this box in the corner, it shows two different kinds of notes we are going to learn. The first note is a quarter note, and the second note is a half note. Quarter notes are held for 1 count. Half notes are held for 2 counts. Quarter notes are filled in and they have a stem. Half notes are not filled in, but they do have a stem. We are going to find all the quarter notes and half notes in the song, and as we do that, we are going to say the name of the note to get the right rhythm. So when I point to a quarter note, say quarter. And when I point to a half note, say half note. Watch me do it once first, and then you can join in later. I'm going to count myself in. 1, 2, ready, go. Quarter, 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 half note. Quarter, 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 half note. Did you notice how the half notes were held a little bit longer than the quarter notes? Half note. Okay, let's do that together now, starting right here. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Quarter, 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 half note. Quarter, 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 half note. Great work! Now look at the top of the paper above the song. It shows us which notes we are learning. We are learning C, D, and E. This right here is called a treble clef. That means we are going to play this song with our right hand. With our right hand, we are going to use our first, second, and third fingers to play the notes C, D, and E. Before we play the song, I like to write my finger numbers in so that I can follow along and see which note I am supposed to play with which finger. You can do this too, or if you need to, ask a grown-up to help. You can pause the video here if you need to go and find a pencil. Okay, are you ready? We're going to start right here. I like to write my finger numbers in right next to the note so that I can see the note and my finger number at the same time. So this is middle C. It has its own line through it. So we play middle C with our thumb, which is our 1. So write a 1 next to middle C. And this is another middle C, so write another 1. Then we step up to D, and that note we are going to play with our second finger, so write a 2 right there. And then we have another D, so write another 2. Then we step up to an E. An E we play with our third finger, so write a 3. And then we have another E, so write another 3. And then over here we have another E, so write another 3. Down here we're staying with that E, so write another 3. And this is another E, so another 3. Now we step down to a D, which we play with our second finger, so write a 2. And then we have another D, so write another 2. Now we're back to middle C, and that's just our thumb, so write a 1. And another middle C, so write another 1. And another middle C, so write another 1. Watch my hand as I get into position. First, I need to find middle C again by finding those 2 black keys in the middle of the piano. And then I spread my fingers out and my thumb will be on middle C. Then I need to make sure that my fingers are all on the white keys, starting with my thumb, which is 1, then my next finger is 2, 3, 4, then 5. We aren't using our 4th and 5th fingers in this song, but we still want them to sit nicely and listen. Now can you get your hand into position? Watch again if you need help. Thumb is on middle C. My next finger is on the next white key. Then 3, 4, and 5. Now make sure that your hand is curved like this, and we are ready to play our first song. The first time we play this song, we are going to say our finger numbers while we play the notes. Watch me do it once first, and you can join me next time. I'm going to start right here, and I will count myself in. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, are you ready to do it with me? Make sure your hand is up on middle C position. We'll start right here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Great job! We are going to play it again, and this time we will sing or say the words. If you don't know how to read, that's okay. Just listen as I sing the words. We'll start right here. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, D, D, E, E, glide, coming down the slippery slide. That was awesome. Okay, this next time we are going to play and say the rhythm. That means we are going to say quarter when we play a quarter note and half note when we play a half note. Let's start right here. 1, 2, ready, go. Quarter, 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 half note. Quarter, 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 half note. You are doing a really good job. We are going to play the song one more time, and this time we won't say anything at all. We'll just play the song. So start right here. 1, 2, ready, go. That was fantastic. You did it! You just learned your very first song on the piano. What an excellent job, my friend. As fun as it is to play our song, it is time to move on to our theory work. But don't worry, theory work is fun too. Theory is what teaches us all about music. Go ahead and get your theory page out for lesson 1. It looks like this. I will show you how to do this theory page, and then you will complete it once this lesson is over. Okay, right here at the top it says color all middle C's blue. So I have my blue crayon and I'm going to color the middle C's blue. So here's a middle C right here. It has its own line through it and it's below the staff. Here's another one right here, and here's another one. So I'm going to color that blue. You can either color just the note like this, or you can color the whole staff like this if you want to. Okay, next it says to color the D's orange. So D's look like this. There is not a line going through a D, and it's below the staff. Here's another D, and here's another D. So on this one, I'm just going to color the note, but you can do whatever you'd like. And then last, we color all of the E's green. So an E is on this bottom line of the staff, and it has the line running through it. Here's another E, and here's an E right here. I'll color the staff this time. So find all of those and color them. And then down here we have 3 treble clefs, and you can color those any color you want. You can color them your favorite color, or you can color them like a rainbow. It is totally up to you. Now we are all done with our first lesson, but before you go, I have somebody I want you to meet. He has a lot of good ideas to help you play the piano. Hi, my name is Daryl. I'm 7 years old, and I think that Miss Julie is just the nicest. Oh, Daryl, thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Daryl, my friend, is here, and they are new to learning how to play the piano. We were wondering if there was something that you could share with them to help them out this week. Yes, Miss Julie, I can do that. I have a lot of good ideas. This week, try playing your new song 3 times every day. 3 times? Every day? Yes, Miss Julie, 3 times every day. Okay, Daryl, I think we can do that. Try playing your new song 3 times every day. In fact, you can do it just like we did it in our lesson today by playing it 1 time while saying your finger numbers, 1 time while singing the words, and the last time by saying the rhythm. What do you think about that, Daryl? I think that's a great idea, Miss Julie. Your friend is going to work really hard this week practicing their new song. You know what, Daryl? I think you're right. Now it's time to say goodbye, but you did a fantastic job today, and I can't wait to see you at the next lesson.